Carbide burrs, those compact yet robust rotary tools made from tungsten carbide, have revolutionized precision work in metalworking, woodworking, and fabrication by offering unmatched control and versatility compared to traditional alternatives like hand files, angle grinders, and sanding discs. While files rely on manual labor and angle grinders deliver aggressive power, carbide burrs strike a balance through their high-speed rotation in tools like die grinders or rotary tools, enabling intricate shaping without the fatigue or mess often associated with other methods. This article verbally dissects these comparisons, highlighting carbide burrs' advantages in precision for tight spaces over a file's laborious effort. Superior heat management against the scorching output of angle grinders and scenarios where burrs excel, such as deburring delicate surfaces without collateral damage. By examining these dynamics, craftsmen can appreciate why carbide burrs often outperform in professional and hobbyist settings, fostering cleaner results and extended tool life. One of the most striking advantages of carbide burrs lies in their precision within confined areas, a realm where hand files falter due to their inherently manual and imprecise nature. A file, whether flat, round, or needle-nosed, demands physical force and steady hands to rasp away material, often leading to inconsistent depths and edges, especially in tight grooves or internal corners where leverage is limited. Imagine struggling to file the burrs from a narrow engine port, where the tool's bulk causes slippage and uneven removal, potentially scratching surrounding surfaces over extended sessions of repetitive stroking. In contrast, a carbide burr, such as a tree-shaped variant, spins at thousands of RPMs in a powered rotary tool, allowing it to navigate these same tight spaces with surgical accuracy. Its tapered or pointed form follows curved paths effortlessly, removing material in controlled, orbiting passes that a file could never replicate without hours of painstaking effort. This precision not only saves time, transforming a multi-hour filing job into minutes, but also minimizes user fatigue, making it ideal for detailed work like jewelry engraving or aerospace component finishing, where even minor deviations could compromise structural integrity. Heat management represents another domain where carbide burrs outshine alternatives, particularly angle grinders, which generate excessive friction and thermal buildup during operation. Angle grinders, equipped with abrasive discs or wheels, are powerhouse tools for rapid stock removal on large surfaces, but their high torque aggression often leads to overheating, warping thin metals, or altering material properties through localized annealing. Envision grinding down a weld on a thin stainless steel sheet, where the grinder's disc spins at 10,000 RPMs or more, producing sparks and bluing the metal from intense heat that can embrittle the workpiece and accelerate tool wear. Carbide burrs, however, incorporate flute designs, those helical grooves that efficiently evacuate chips and dissipate heat, allowing for cooler operation even on hard materials like titanium or cast iron. A double-cut cylindrical burr, for instance, shears material in finer increments, reducing friction by up to 50% compared to a grinder's broad abrasion, thus preserving the workpiece's metallurgy and enabling prolonged sessions without coolant interruptions. This thermal advantage is crucial in scenarios like automotive restoration, where overheating could distort vintage body panels, positioning burrs as the smarter choice for finesse-oriented tasks over the grinder's brute force approach. In practical scenarios, carbide burrs consistently outperform alternatives when deburring without inflicting surface damage, a common pain point in fabrication workflows. Take the process of cleaning up machined edges on aluminum extrusions. A hand file might effectively remove burrs, but risks gouging the soft metal with overzealous strokes, leaving micro scratches that require secondary polishing and potentially weakening the part's fatigue resistance. An angle grinder, while faster, exacerbates this by its wide cutting path, often removing too much material and creating heat-affected zones that promote corrosion in humid environments, like those in Mason, Ohio's manufacturing hubs. A flame-shaped carbide burr, spun in a die grinder, addresses this elegantly by blending the burr into the surface with a gentle, contour-following action. Its rounded tip feathers edges seamlessly, eliminating raised lips without altering the underlying texture or introducing thermal stress, resulting in a professional, damage-free finish that passes stringent quality inspections. Illustrated conceptually, picture a comparative diagram. On the left, a cross-section of a filed edge shows jagged inconsistencies and subsurface scratches from manual pressure. In the center, an angle grinder's path reveals a widened, overheated groove with visible discoloration. On the right, the burr's interaction depicts smooth, uniform removal with intact material grains, highlighting the tool's flutes channeling away debris cleanly to prevent recontamination. Beyond deburring, carbide burrs demonstrate superiority in contouring and profiling tasks, where alternatives like sanding discs or rasps fall short in adaptability and control. Sanding discs on orbital tools offer broad smoothing but lack the directional precision for intricate curves, often leading to uneven wear on contoured surfaces like turbine blades, where a rasp's coarse teeth might tear fibers in wood or embed particles in metal. A ball-shaped carbide burr, conversely, excels here by hollowing and rounding with spherical symmetry, accessing concave areas that discs can't reach without multiple repositionings. Think of a woodcarver shaping an ergonomic handle. The burr's rotation carves fluid radii in a single fluid motion, avoiding the disc's flat plane limitations and the rasp's erratic bite, all while maintaining a cool, chatter-free cut. A verbalized comparative diagram might illustrate this as a split view, the sanding disc's broad swirl pattern overlapping and oversanding curves versus the burr's pinpoint orbital path that preserves detail, underscoring how burrs reduce rework by 70% in such applications. Ultimately, while alternatives like files provide affordability for occasional use, and angle grinders deliver speed for heavy demolition, carbide burrs' integration of precision, heat efficiency, and non-damaging performance makes them indispensable for modern workflows, especially in precision industries. In high-stakes environments, such as Ohio's robust manufacturing sector, opting for burrs over manual or powered rivals not only enhances output quality, but also boosts safety by minimizing physical strain and hazardous sparks. As tools evolve, the carbide burr's ability to outperform in tight, heat-sensitive, and detail-oriented scenarios solidifies its role as a cornerstone of efficient craftsmanship, inviting users to elevate their projects from rudimentary to refined.